In this video, I tried creating a packaging design, and I couldn't believe I was able to make such a great design using only Canva. Nowadays, many people use this application because it's easy to use, and you can create designs even without a Canva Pro subscription. So, I challenged myself to design packaging without spending anything, and I was not disappointed with the result. If you love designing, or you have a business and want to create your own packaging design, you're in the right video. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step. When designing product packaging, it's important to follow the right process to ensure the design is effective and visually appealing. Here are the first steps you should take. Understand your product. Identify your target market. Choose the right packaging material. Create branding guidelines and use high-quality images. Now, let's get started. First, click Custom Size and set it to 1320 by 1920 pixels. Go to Uploads, then click the image or elements you want to use. This image was taken from a free website. Check the description below. I've included the link to this free resource. Now, I'll add the product name. In this tutorial, I'm using potato chips. Go to Font, then choose a style for your title. I picked Back Soda font for this product name. Click this icon to duplicate it. Highlight the text, then rotate it slightly. Go to Uploads, then crop the images as needed. At the top section, let's add a brand name or logo. For this tutorial, I used a simple shape element and created a brand name Golden Crisp. Go to Font, then select League Spartan. Choose a light color because the shape behind it is dark. Color is crucial in design, especially for text. It should always be readable. Next, let's add chips around the design like this. Having floating images makes the design more appealing and helps highlight the product. Now, I want the words potato chips to stand out, so I searched for a matching element. I changed the color to complement the product design. Go to Position, select Layers, then drag it downward. Since this circle is dark, let's change the title text color to white. Go to Effects, then click Lift Effect to make the text stand out. Right-click, select Copy Style, then paste it onto other elements. Since we're designing food packaging, it's important to include the flavor. I chose the Nor'Wester font because I prefer a slim, fitted look. Next, I added other details like this. You can decide what information to include based on your product packaging needs. Keep the text aligned and spaced properly. Avoid using too many different fonts. Organize key information properly. Net weight, usually at the bottom right or left corner. Tagline or slogan, a short, catchy phrase to make it memorable. Then, I added a hook text to make the product more eye-catching. Keep it short and catchy. Make your call to action easy to read and remember. Avoid long sentences. When choosing fonts, make sure they match the overall theme and message of your design. And make it relatable. Use words that connect with the consumer's emotions. People buy food not just for taste, but for how it makes them feel. To make the chips look more realistic, I'll add shadows. There are many shadow options to choose from. Just make sure they match your image. Next, a product packaging design looks even better when it has a full background. But before we continue, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Now, back to designing. First, I added an inner color to the packaging design, like this. Then, I added layered backgrounds. In Elements, I selected gradient backgrounds to soften the edges of the design. When designing a full background color for product packaging, consider branding, visibility, and consumer psychology. For contrast and readability, use dark text on a light background and avoid colors that blend too much with text or graphics. Next, I'll add shape designs behind the text to improve visibility. Go to Graphics and choose what you want. Keep textures light and low opacity so they don't overpower the text. I also want to make salt and pepper more noticeable, so I changed the color, but I still prioritized the main product title by slightly reducing the transparency of the flavor text. Make sure to check that all your text is always readable. Text shadowing is a powerful way to make your text stand out while keeping your design visually appealing. A matching or complementary shadow color can make the text pop without looking dull. A soft shadow improves readability without making the text look harsh. For the final touch, I added sparkling effects to make the design more attractive. I chose this because it's like salt and it matches the flavor I selected. Now, before we proceed with the mockup, we need to carefully check our design to see if it is sufficient. Once everything is okay, go to Share and click Download. Now, in the search bar, just type mockup, then click Select All so you can choose from a variety of mockup designs. Since my product is chips, I will choose these to mockup materials. After you've arranged everything, go to Uploads, click on the packaging design you created, and place it on the mockup materials it will automatically put inside. And there you have it, your very own product packaging design. If you love designing in Canva and want to learn more creative ideas, click this video.